At American Friction Welding, we're not just built to weld, we're engineered to perform. As a US-based production manufacturer, we deliver high-integrity, precision components where structural strength and repeatability are non-negotiable. Friction welding gives our customers design freedom, stronger joints, the ability to join dissimilar materials, and faster turnaround compared to traditional forged parts. It's also a cleaner, more cost-efficient process, cutting down machining time and raw material waste while avoiding consumables, hazardous inputs, and expensive tooling. Every part we produce is backed by deep process control and rigorous quality systems. We're ISO 9001:2015 certified with full traceability and a first-pass yield philosophy. Our vertically integrated operation manages the entire life cycle, from raw material procurement through final inspection. We perform both destructive and non-destructive testing, including ultrasonic flaw detection, tensile, bend, and etch evaluations. Behind the scenes, our ERP-driven system ensures real-time process monitoring, inventory control, and supply chain precision, so your production programs stay on track and in spec. We can also provide in-house fixture and tooling design. We are where first-class manufacturing and friction welding join together. Visit teamafw.com or contact us to start your next project today.